All right, folks, the first topic for today is using partial products or partial quotients to find the answer for division problems. So instead of solving everything at once, we're going to break it down into chunks and then add up the answer of each of those chunks. So let's start with a very easy example. So let's say we're doing 3 or 99 divided by 3. So we're not using traditional methods for division here. What you're going to do is you're first going to find a number that you want to multiply this by, multiply your dividend by, right? So let's say I pick 10 because 10 is an easy number. It's a really friendly number, right? So 3 times 10, I'm going to go over here on the side. We got 10 at the top, times 3, 0, 3. Okay, so I got 30, right? 3 times 10 is 30. So I'm going to put 30 here. And then I'm just going to put 10 at the top because that's one of my quotients that I've found, right? And I'm going to subtract 9, 6. Okay, I still have something left over, so I'm going to try again. Okay, I'm going to try another 10. I know that's 30. I'm going to put the 10 up here. Okay, 39. Okay, I still got some left over. I see 30 there, so I can subtract 30 again. I'm going to put 10 up here because, again, 10 times 3 gives us to the 30. We have 9 left over. Okay, so now I know what can I multiply 9 by or 3 by to get 9, and that's 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, right? And that's 0. So our answer is going to be all of this together. So you have to add each piece together. So if I go 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3, I'm going to have 33 as our answer. Okay. And the nice thing about this is it's very flexible. If you want to use tens because that's what you're most comfortable with, you can do that. If you want to challenge yourself and try for bigger numbers to multiply and see if it works, you can do that as well. It will still get you to the same answer. So for example, let's look at the same problem we're using. If we have 3 as our divisor, and we have 99 inside, right? Sorry, as our dividend, and 99 is our divisor. 99 divided by 3, I could go 10, 10, 10 like I did last time, but I know that 3 times 3 gives me 9, right? And it's 90, so I know I can just multiply by 30 and put 90 here, right? And if you want to check that, 30 times 3, 0, 9, right? So my first product is going to, our quotient, sorry, product is for multiplication. My first quotient is going to be 30. Now 30 times 3 is 90. I'm going to see what's left. I got 9 left over. And then similar to the last problem, I know that 3 times 3 gets me 9. And then 30 plus 3, 33. There's my answer. So even if I break it down in different ways, I still get to the same conclusion if I do my math correctly. So what's nice about this is it meets you at your level. So let's say you're really strong with your 5s and 10s, but you don't know how to go past that yet. You can use this. It doesn't matter if you use 15 different partial quotients. As long as you get to the answer at the end, then you're A-okay. Let's try another one. So we have 125 divided by 5. Okay, so how many times can I'm going to take a guess, right? I'm going to say like, what's 5 times 20? I'm just going to guess over here. 0, 100, right? This is over 100, so I could use this. So I'm going to put 100 here, subtract. I have 25 left, okay? To get to this 100, I multiplied my 5 by 20. So my first partial quotient is 20. I know 5 times 5 is 25. I'm going to put that here. And then 5 plus 25 equals 25. That's my partial quotient. All right, sorry, that's my answer after adding together my partial quotient. So feel free to watch this. I would highly recommend you watch this more than once so that when we come into math group today, if you get it, you can come and ask me some series of questions, and then you're free to go after that. So let's try something a little bit more difficult. Let's try a 2-digit number, 19 and 247. This is an example from your book from page 259 if you wanted to go back and take a look at it on your own. So 19, I don't know my 19s like super quick like I know my 1s through 12. So let's guess and check. I'm gonna go with 19 times 10 because that's a nice 10 is a nice easy number to multiply anything by because we just add a 0 at the end. So this becomes 190. Okay, so pause and I want you to try the rest. Okay, I gave you some nice little head start. I want you to try the rest. Okay, I'm assuming you paused and worked on it. Now I'm going to hop back in. So if this is 190, then we're going to be left with 57 here. We multiplied 19 by 10 to get to that 190, so we don't want to forget we put our 10 here. Okay, so let's try another one. So if I go 19 times 4, let's say I don't know my math facts that well, right? I'm gonna guess, but I'm gonna check. 4 times 9 is 6. Carry the 3. 4 times 1 plus 3, 76. Oh, this is too big. So this won't work because the number is larger than what we have remaining. So we can't use this. So let's try a different number. Since 4 was too big, let's try 3. 19 times 3 gives me 7. Okay, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 57. Okay, and that's what we needed here. So 57. Okay, perfect. So 10 plus 3 gives us 13. So the purpose of this is to give you more ways to tackle division problems because division is one of those things that for some reason always gives students a really hard time. So we want to give you as many options as you can to figure it out and to be successful. So I hope this helped and I will see you during small group time for math at 10:15, okay? 10:15 to 11:30. Sorry, it's not small group, it's whole class. And you work some problems out with me. Once you have it, you feel confident, and you show me that you can get to the answer, then you'll be free to go. But it'll give me more time to work with those students who might still be struggling. So thank you for your understanding, and I'll see you later today.